Hi, let's discuss what to focus when set up KRAs and KPIs. So before setting up KRAs and KPIs, we should understand what is the difference between KRAs and KPIs. We have already prepared a video on what is the difference between KRAs and KPIs with examples before this video. So if you have not seen that video, I request you please go and see what is the difference between KRAs and KPIs in our previous video. Then this would be very easy for you to understand that what is KRAs and KPIs and what are the factors we should focus to prepare KRAs and KPIs. So come to the topic. What is that one major thing which we should focus before preparing KRAs and KPIs for the organization or for the department? So main thing is define your objective of the organization, objective of the department. Objective is required because until and unless you are not aware where you want to go, what do you want to achieve, then preparing KRAs and KPIs is not going to help you out. What happens is major problem with the companies is they set KRAs and KPIs without having clear objective. They are not aware where they want to go, what exactly they want to achieve. An objective should be specific. We'll talk that what sort of objective we should have, what goal should look like. But before that, we should know that if you are not defining your objectives, it's like no objective defines. It should be clear. If it is not clear, it's mean you have not aware of your objectives of the goals. If saying do more than last year, then this is not clear. No one is aware that what you have done last year and what you are supposed to do this year. If you say try your best, what is the definition of best here? So if your objectives or your company's objectives is like this, then be sure this KRAs and KPIs is not going to work for you. Now the question is, what should be the objective? How to define objective and how to know these are the good objectives or the good goals or not. So simple thing is the goal or objective should be smart. Smart, when we say smart, smart is as for specific. It should be clear. Everything should be in figure. Everything should be in activities, that what exactly is supposed to from a department and what is supposed to be from an employee. So it should be specific. Second is measurable. Whatever an employee is supposed to do, it should be measurable. An employee should be aware, if I am doing this task, then these are the parameters I will be measured. If your objective cannot be measured, then believe me, KRAs and KPI is not going to help you out. A is attainable. Make sure you can reasonably accomplish your goals, right? It should be relevant. Your goal should not be out of focus, out of course. It should be relevant to the work a person is doing. If a person is from HR, his KRAs should be related to KRAs from his KRA should be related to HR, not to the sales or not to the other department, until and unless this is not in his preview. And the time based, it should not be we will do it, this will be done. No, if you have prepared your objectives, you have prepared your goals, then it should be time based, when exactly you want it to be done. Now understand, once this objective is done, how KRAs we should prepare, what to focus, how to do it. So how this works: first, the major requirement for setting KRAs and KPIs is your goal should be clear. Your objective, when I say, it means your organization's objective should be very much clear. And once your goals objective is clear, then you prepare KRAs and KPIs for the department. Once your KRAs and KPIs are prepared for the department, then it should come to the employee. And when I say KRAs and KPIs, I have clearly mentioned in my previous video that what is the difference between KRAs and KPIs. KRAs is broad term, KPIs is the points which can be measured. And now this is the way you work for setting up your KRAs: organization objective, goals, then department objectives, their KRAs and KPIs, then department head KRAs and KPIs you have to prepare. Then this come to the employees. Every employee should know that what is my KRAs, what I'm supposed to do, and what is going to be the criteria to measure my work. And once this objective and KRAs KPI is set, this is the time of review. Review every KRA KPIs of your department heads, and then you can make the changes if required. I hope this video has given you a basic understanding that what to focus when you are planning to prepare your KRAs and KPIs. If you like this video, do comment and also share with the person who is already working on KRAs and KPIs. Also, let me know what other topic you want me to cover in my next video. Thank you so much.